Good morning everyone, my name is Vian Bawa. I'm in the 4th level and this is my first bot, the soccer bot. The soccer bot uses a servo motor and 2 high-speed DC motors to kick the ball and dribble at high speeds and shoot it into the opponent's goal at the same time. This is the first time I have used the buggy wheels. The buggy wheels consist of placing the orange part on a table, then setting the sponge, and then lastly putting the rubber coating over it so that the rubber coating does not get damaged in future use. I have also used the servo motor here. I have positioned it at 0 degrees. When I press the button 5 on the remote, it goes 140 degrees and then comes back, which is a kick. Now I will demonstrate.
Yes.
When I press 1, the robot moves forward. When I press 3, it moves right. 4, left. And when I press 2, both the DC motors move backwards. But when I press 5, the servo motor does a kicking action. Now I'm going to kick the ball. Thank you.